What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. The Z is dirty. Hope everyone's doing great. Man, every time the neighbor cuts the grass, look what he does to my car, bro. Like, come on, G. Come on, G. Alright, guys. Anyways, we're gonna be doing, like the title says, we're gonna be fixing up the sunroof drain on the G. This thing open. Oh shit, I did leave it open. I mean, I'm not sure if it's bad or anything, but I mean, it's most likely bad. Let me put these windows down. I'll eventually also get a new cluster for this car, because I'm sure it starts. Hello? Okay, guys, I got it to turn on. I'm not sure what the hell was going on just now. I had to like get out the car, lock it, and then unlock it, and then get back in it and turn it on. I don't know, that was kind of weird. I believe, honestly, this might have something to do with the battery. So, I mean, not the battery, what am I saying? With the key. Because I put a brand new battery in the key and it still doesn't do anything. So I have to put the key fob inside and then turn it on. But, yeah, guys, we're going to be fixing the sunroof drain on this thing. I bought some fittings, some 3/8 fittings, and I honestly bought the hose from DoorDash because Auto Parts and AutoZone wanted $10 per foot for the freaking for the 3/8 hose, and that's honestly just wild. Who the hell pays $10 no, that's stupid. So I bought for $13 from Lowe's, you get 10 feet, some clear hose, which is fine. I bought 20 feet, so it's about to get delivered anytime soon now. So I'm gonna get started now. Obviously you gotta remove the A-pillars, and then I'll show you what to do next. This is my first time doing it, guys, so don't blame me for anything. But just making sure the horn works. It does work. But yeah, guys, so let's get to it. It's freaking hot outside, but at least it was good. Let's get it. All right, guys, once you get your A-pillar out, you know, you go pull down your weather stripping, and then just, you know, it's easier to take off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it right around, I'm gonna say cut it right around. I think here should be fine, just to be more comfortable. So yeah, guys, just cut it with whatever you have. This is what I have, so this is what I'm using. You know what, let me do this with two hands. If you guys can still see, great. If you don't, I'm just cutting the hose, that's all. Okay, so we got to cut. This old one, I'm not sure if it pulls out. I'm gonna pull on it and see if it comes out. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. Oh, it does. So there you go. It's mad dirty inside. Probably clogged at the whatever it ends. So now, I mean, I'm still waiting for my other hose to come in. Should be here anytime soon. So let me check real quick where it's by. If I could even arriving on time. Well, it says from 12:39 to 12:41. Okay, they're at the light. Yeah, they're pretty close by. Been editing these for like cutting out trims just so that it's not that super long. Okay, pull down. If you freaking can. Jesus. Just want to, there you go. All right, and then pull it. I got this one off the other day, so it shouldn't. There you go. And then you just pull it up towards you, and there it is. Same thing with this side. I'm gonna cut it around here just because I know this part is short. It's pretty hard to do it with one hand though. Let me freaking Get this out, just like this one as well. Just pull it up, and there, yeah, I don't know if you guys can see. Hold on. They're just super dirty inside, just dirt and shit. But I don't know if it is that wet, but whatever. Now, where you're gonna be connecting to is where the AC drips. Okay, guys. Yeah, you guys see this? Yeah, no bueno. Pretty sure the other side has the same thing. So I'll take all of that off when I vacuum it. So the one that we're gonna be pretty much connecting to is this one right here. This is where the AC leaks from. So what I'm gonna do now, and this just got delivered like 2 minutes ago. Okay, now we get this right here. Get your hose and just feed it through here until, I don't know, comes out through here. You might have to get under there and help. Oh yeah, because this thing is blocking it right here. So let me get this out the way real quick, guys. So yeah, you just remove that little panel. Now I got it here. I'm gonna just leave it about, yeah, I'm gonna leave it about this length. And now I already put mine on. You got these little fittings. You can get this at AutoZone. They come in packs, different sizes and tees and whatever. So like I said, this is 3/8. This is not pressurized or anything, so all you could do is put a zip tie on both ends and call it a day. So now what I need to do is just cut this hose. If I could find my freaking blade right here. You know what? I don't know why I'm using the blade. Sheesh. Imagine I put the TEs on the freaking G, but it's too damn wide. Pipe cutter right here. It's pretty handy. Wow, it's hot. So I connected it right here, and then it goes down. Let me show you guys. It goes down right here and then through the firewall. I'm gonna have to pull it a little more because it's a little long, but you guys get the point. This is where you need to fish it through, right through the middle. I don't think it should bother me here. Yeah, guys, it is fucking hot, man. I need to go get some water. I'm gonna pass out. All right, but so I'm pretty much done with putting everything on. Let me show you guys real quick pretty much what went down. So it's connected to the drain hose of the AC, and then this one goes to the driver's side right here, and then just get the passenger side and fish it all the way over to this side, connected, and now it should be good. Shouldn't be no issues, and that problem is fixed now. So now I'm gonna just freaking get this water out. It's crazy. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'll be making another video, but that's the next video. I'm not gonna do it all in one video. So this is done, guys. Pretty much, you could do this all by yourself for under 50 bucks. Hose with the fittings, and that's it. This part right here though, this hose is actually a 1/2 inch, so that's why I had to use these clamps, so it's a tight fit. You don't remember, guys, it's not pressurized, it's just water leaking down, so it doesn't have to be super tight. And with the gravity and everything, it's just gonna go straight down. It's not gonna stay here or here for it to leak. It's gonna go straight down. So yeah, guys, it goes into this, remember. Can't do this one hand, but yeah, this is your AC hose where it drains, and pretty much it, guys. pretty much it for this video. Golly, it's hot. Sheesh. You know, fixing just these little major issues these cars have. If you guys have any other pointers, maybe if I could have done this differently, easier, let me know. This is honestly the easiest method that I saw on YouTube, so that's why I went this route. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys, whoever has those Infinitis out there, this helped them out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.